competition on 4Drive247's Instagram, and I got a message saying I won. So I won an Ultimate 9 throttle controller, and it arrived today. So let's unwrap it. Alright, and here it is. Alright, here it is, the EVC throttle controller. Let's take a closer look. Very nice. Let's see what else I've got in the box. So I've got the throttle controller. Parts that plug into the throttle. Sticker. And some instructions on cable ties. Alright, now let's go put it in the car. So going through the instructions, it tells me I need to locate the pedal assembly. So I've done that and I've taken the cap off already. So what you're going to do, so in my car, the NP300, you locate your pedal assembly, which is down here. I've got some light. It's that maroon thing. So what you want to do with that, I'll show you on the throttle controller. So you want to locate the maroon clip, and on your pedal control, that just slides out like that and allows you to pull the factory plug off. So let's go and install the throttle controller. Alright, so I've already taken the factory plug off. So here it is here. So what I'm going to do now, put that in, clamp it off, locate where the factory plug went, simple as that. I'm going to run my wire up behind the dash. So it's going to come out here, and I'm going to attach it to there. And that's done. Now to connect them together, right. Done. I'm just going to use those supplied cable ties and put it up out of the way. Alright, so now I've got that hooked up. Only thing I need to do is place it. So I've chosen a spot here on the dash. Bang. Look at that. Let's peel this off. Alright. Let's start this up and see how it goes. Alright, so I've got the EVC throttle controller in the car. It's all set up. Just got to set it up for manual transmission. So let's do that now. Start the car, press and hold the mode button. Yep. And bang. It's done. It's on auto mode at the moment. So let's give that a test. Go this way. Oh wow, even that's more responsive. It really takes the lag out of it. Auto mode and it's really responsive. I have to stop and pull over and turn it up to ultimate 9. There you go, just pull in here. Alright, let's change it. Alright, I've got it on ultimate 9 now, the quickest response. Let's see how we go. Jesus Christ. Wow. Watch my fuel consumption go up with that one. So responsive. Don't think I'll have it on that one very much. Alright, let's see what they go for eco mode. Right, eco mode. Oh yeah, it's not as responsive as ultimate 9. You can really feel it in the throttle though. Yeah, it's not that responsive. That's going to be really good off-road. Really good. Well, that's the EVC throttle controller install and a mini preview of how it goes. I'll keep you posted later on my fuel consumption. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.